Hey, welcome to BreitWerks. What are you looking at? Well, we were going to put that cylinder head on this engine. 1971, 2.2 liter. So when you're doing this, right, you want to make sure you did a couple of things. One, you got to make sure that you put your tins in. Two, you got to make sure you put your oil return tubes in. And three, you got to make sure that you've got your little head gaskets in. Because if you find any of those parts in the bag, it means you're taking it all apart again. So we're gonna get everything set up, and we're on the 4 through 6 side right now. So we'll come back to you when something cool happens. So we've got the 4 through 6 head on, and our set of heads. And if you look, you always wanna make sure that your gaskets are nice and smooth in there, not sideways. And then one of the other things that I'll do before we slide this guy around, I'm gonna install the oil cooler. So I've pressure tested him. He's sitting here at about 32 PSI. So he's all good to go. So we'll pull that tester off and install the oil cooler. It's just the 4 M8 studs. We got our 1 through 3 side head on. We've got good gaskets. Everything's flush. And we've got our, actually that's the flush line you're looking for down there. And we've got our hardware installed. So now what we're gonna do is torque it up. And let me see if I can get you guys on the lapse time. All right, there we have it. Franz long block assembled. So our next step, we'll get some chain boxes on this guy. We'll make a different video about that. But yeah, now we've got our pistons and cylinders. We've got our cylinder heads and our cam racks. So she is ready for the next step. So we'll get on with that, and we'll have another video for you guys. But hey, if you like these videos, click that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and check us out at BreitWerks.com. Have a fantastic day.